coaching center. So today I'm going to explain that is the 11th standard maths 13th chapter limits and derivatives. So let's function fx is said to be have a limit L if fx is equal to value of x when is f where plus where small quantity equals or fx is said to be limit L the distance between fx and L fx is equal to L, so x is equal to a, so therefore fx is equal to minus L is equal to 0. It will become if x is approaching a from this left hand side, then let fx be a, and if x is approaching a from the right hand side, then let fx x minus a. It will be x will be a. So next, sin x plus 3. So here x is 3, so therefore it is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next, sin x, so sin x pi, so x is equal to x minus 22 by 7 is the question, so therefore pi minus 22 by 7, so 22 by 7 minus 22 by 7, it will be 0 again. So sin pi r square, so r is equal to 1, so therefore pi into 1, so therefore it is 1, sorry pi. So fx gx them, so let x be a, so fx plus yx is equal to ct, so therefore x be a, so therefore fx and x, so therefore x is the a, and x will be a. So like that only here you have to solve these sums. So next here you can see fx gx is equal to let x be a, fx let gx, so x be a, like that only here let x be 4, so 4x plus 3 by x minus 2, so therefore 4 into 4 plus 3, so therefore 4 minus 2, so therefore 19 by 2. So here theorem 1, so for any positive integers rational, let x n minus a, a minus a is equal to n by 3 n minus 1 for any rational number. So let we take x minus is a and xn is equal to a n by a, so therefore xn a n x minus a, so therefore a n x x get cancelled, so xn will become a n because here they have asked, so therefore a n get cancelled, a get cancelled, so therefore it will be 0 bar 0, it will be the answer. And we can take as a n minus take 3 as 1, so 1 by 3 minus 1, so 1 it will be 1, so 1 by into 1 into 1 1 only, no, so 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, so it will be 0. Let us take 1 minus 3, let us take 1 as 3, so 1 minus, so 1 minus 1, so 1 by 3 it will be by cancelling, so therefore it will be 1 by 3. Let us take 3 as 1, so therefore 2 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1, 2 1 by 3 minus 1, so therefore 1 by 3 minus 1 it will be, and 1 by 3 minus 1 again, so 2 1 by 3 minus 1 and minus 1 1 by 3, so therefore it will be 2 minus 1, so therefore 2 is the answer. Next, so here in next limits and derivation, sin pi minus x it will be, so pi minus x, so let us take x is pi, so let us take all the x as pi, so therefore sin x pi minus pi, so pi minus pi, so pi minus pi pi and minus pi will get cancelled, so therefore 0 by 0 it is an indeterminate form, we cannot determine it, so therefore let us take pi minus x is equal to theta, so therefore pi minus pi is equal to 0, so therefore theta is equal to 0, so therefore let us take theta is equal to 0, so therefore there where we get 0, let us take there as theta, so therefore sin theta by pi theta, because here there will be 0, sin 0 pi 0 because here 0 indeterminate. So therefore let us take sin theta and pi theta. So sin theta and pi theta, sin theta is 1, it will become, so therefore 1 by x is the answer. And finally let us extend by into pi only, no, so 0 minus pi is pi, so pi 1 by pi. Next let us take 0. So here this is the biggest sum, so cos 2x minus 1, so cos x minus 1, so therefore here 0, so cos 2 0 minus 1, cos 0 minus 1, so here 0 0 indeterminate will come, so we have to solve, we have to continue. So what we will do means we will convert it into sine. How means minus 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos x we will make, we will interchange it. When we interchange it, we will get 2 sin square x, because 2 sin x square x will be cos, and 2 sin x square x by 2 will be 2 sin x square, 2 sin x square, 2 sin square x by 2 will be the our cos square cos 2x. So we will interchange it, and when we interchange sin x into sin x by 2 into sin x by 2 will get, so therefore sin x into x, sin x into x by x and into sin x into x by x we will make, and sin x by 2 into x by 2 and sin x by 2 into x by 2, so sin will cancel, x into x and x by 2 into x by 2 will get, so therefore x square and x square will be cancelled and 2 2s of 4 will become, so x square will cancel, so therefore the answer is 4. Next, ax plus x cos x b sin x. So here let us take x is 0, so therefore 0 0, so it will be indeterminate. So when we get indeterminate, so now let us take now let us take ax plus x cos x dx. Now let us take sin x as bx into x, so sin plus cos x, so cos x will be 1, so therefore a plus 1 by b will be the answer. Next, x secant x, so 0 x is 0 0, so 0 indeterminate form only, we cannot do anything because they only given secant. What we can do, nothing more than that we can do. If they have given some other digit, then we can try to solve, but here they have given only secant. So sin ax plus bx, ax plus bx, ax plus sin bx. So sin ax, so x will be 0 0 0 0, so sin ax by ax into ax plus bx, ax plus sin bx into bx, so totally all numbers get cancelled and we will get as ax plus bx. So sin ax plus bx we will get, so therefore sin ax plus bx is equal to sin ax plus bx by sin ax plus bx, so therefore it will get cancelled and we will get the number as 1. Next, cosecant x minus cot x. So cosecant, let us take x as 0 again, so cosecant 0 minus cot 0, it is indeterminate, both are indeterminate, we cannot do anything because they both are indeterminate. What we can do, 0 minus 0 0 will become 1, so 1 by sin minus cos x by sin x, so 1 minus cos x by sin x we can do because here common, so cos x by sin x, so 2 sin square x by 2 x by 2 and 2 sin x by 2 we can write by sin x and sin x, and here that 2 sin x by 2 we can take sin x by 2, and this 1 into sin x by 2 and 2 into x square by 2 because into square is there, no, so 2 now x by 2 are there, so square, so x by 2 this 2 into 2 will be 4, so 2 into x square by 4 it will become, because see here x x by x into 2 is there, here another x into 2, so they both become multiply and they will become 2 into x square by 2, and here down x only, nothing we can do, and x2 by 2x, so x gets cancelled, so therefore 0 by 2 it is 0 only, 0 into 2 whatever you multiply with 0 it will be 0 only. Next, so let us take tan 2x as pi by 2, so tan 2x x minus pi by 2, so tan 2 pi by 2 by pi by 2 by minus pi by 2, so it is indeterminate form. So let us take as tan pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 we can take as theta, so tan pi by 2 plus theta. So tan pi by 2, so 2 gets cancelled, so tan 2 pi plus 2 theta, tan pi plus 2 theta by theta. So therefore 2 theta into 2 theta into 2 we can do, so therefore theta gets cancelled. So tan is 1 into 2, 2 will be the answer. Next, so these formulas you have to learn. D by dx constant is equal to 0, d by dx x, this is x is equal to 1, d by dx x n is equal to n into x n minus 1, d by dx 1x is equal to 1 x square, d by dx root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x, d by dx a n is equal to a x by log x, and d by dx log is equal to 1 by x, d by dx ex e is equal to ax, d by dx sin x is equal to cos x, d by dx minus cos x is equal to minus sin x only it will come, and d by dx tan x is equal to secant square x square, d by dx secant x is equal to secant x into tan x, d by dx cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x, and d by dx cosecant square is equal to cosecant x minus into cot x. Here into that is not minus. So these are the formulas you have to xv plus u also, so v plus u plus v, sorry, u plus v, so therefore d by dx is equal to v plus d by dx v, where v1 is the function of x, and d by dx v minus u is equal to d by dx v minus d by dx u, and d by dx u v into u is d by dx v d by dx u plus d by dx v, and plus v into d by dx into u, so v into u, so therefore v is equal to d by dx v by v square minus u d by dx v, and kv is equal to k into d by dxv. Next, so these are all the rules you have to remember. So see here sums came, so let us solve the sum. So 4 marks they may have. So d by dx x cube plus 4x square minus 8x plus 7. So d by dx x cube we have to take plus d by dx 4x square minus d by dx 8x plus d by dx 7. So x cube, so as you know, if we get x cube, the number that is present on the upper side, on the power that is present, that we have to take down, and 3x and minus we have to do, and that power we have to do minus 1, so 3 minus 1 will be, so 3x2 plus 4 we should take out as constant 4x, so 2x will become, as I said, but the upper power we should take down, so 2x, 2 minus 1 1 only, so therefore 2x only, minus 8 7. So as you know, d by dx constant will be 0, so therefore d by dx constant will be 0 means plus 0 it will be. So d by dx log x into eax is equal to, so d by dx v u into v is equal to u into d by dx v plus v into d by dx u. This formula you have to use. The rule that we learnt in now only, that you have to use here. And next is log into first you have to log x into d by dx ex plus ex into d by dx log x. So therefore log x ex into ex plus ex into log x. So log x formula, as you know, d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. Now only you learnt 1 by x. 1 by x. There rules derivations you are learning. There you learn d by dx into log x will be 1x. So therefore it is 1x. Next, d by dx x 10 x to the power 10 minus 4 cos x plus sin x minus 4 by x plus root x plus 2x. So d by dx x to the power 10 minus d by dx 4 cos x plus d by dx sin x plus minus d by dx 4 by x plus d by dx root x plus d by dx 2 power x. So now what you have to do means, so now d by dx 10, so as I said 10 the power you should take down, so 10x by power 10 minus 1 you have to do, so therefore it will be 9, and minus 4 into cos x. Now only cos x is equal to minus sin x, sin x is equal to cos x, as you learnt, that for you have to put, and plus sin x is cos x, so cos x minus 4 you have to take out as constant, and 1 by x square plus root x. So root x formula is 1 by 2 root x, the rules there you have learnt, you have applied, and plus 2x into log ex you have to apply. Now d by dx cos cosecant x by 5 plus d by dx 3 root x by 7. So here cosecant x plus cot x, cosecant 1 by 2 you have to take, and you 1 by 5, and you have to make it as cosecant plus cot x. So derivant, and cosecant x is minus cosecant x plus cot x, so that you have to put, and plus 7 by 3 means here this 3 you have to take inside, root you have to do 7 by 3, you have to put the take it out as out constant. 7 by 3 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 1 you have to take. As I said, if they have given number you have to take the minus 1, so 7 by 3 3, so therefore 4 by 3, so therefore cosecant x plus cot x by 5 plus 7 by 3 into x 4 by 3. Next, d by dx x minus 8, so d by dx 8x minus 9 it will become. Why? How? So minus 8 minus 1, how much? 9, and the greater power is minus, so therefore minus 9 it will be. Next, d by dx 1 by x 13. So what you can do? You can do one thing, as you can write it straight as x minus 13, so therefore it is equal to minus 13 x, because minus is there, so minus 13 minus 1, so therefore minus 14 it will be, like that only. Next, d by dx sin x minus 4 cos x plus secant x by 8, so therefore d by dx sin x plus d by dx 4 you have to take, as I said, out you have to take, and cos x plus d by dx secant x by 8, that secant x you have to keep there only, and you have to take 1 by 8 you have to take outside, and or you can take secant square, however you can take, but you will get the answer. And what you have next is sin x minus cos x, sorry, sin x is cos x, and cos x is minus sin x, so minus sin x 4 minus sin x plus 1 by 8. Secant x is secant x into tan x is secant square x, no, that is formula you have to apply. So secant x is secant x into tan x, so you have to write, so therefore cos x plus 4 sin x plus 1 by 8 secant x into tan x. So solving this problem, the rules you have learned, no, log constant number you will get, like 7, there you got constant number, there you put 0. So that formulas, that all are important for writing the answer for this sum. Really practice that formula, understand that formulas, by that formula only you can write the answer, otherwise you can't write the answer. So next sum. So let us take d by dx 5 root x by 7 x by 8, so therefore 5 by 7 into x by 1 by 2, so therefore x by 8, so therefore 1 by 2 into 8, so therefore 5 by 7 into minus 15 by 2 into x 15 by 2 minus 15 by 2, like this you have to write the outer, you have to take the number. Next, see, this is important, they may ask in another exam. So x 100 by 100 plus x 99 by 99 plus x 222 by 2 plus x plus 1, so 1 is constant, you have to keep like that only. So fx is equal to d by dx x 100 by 100 you have to take, and therefore what you have to do means 1 by 100 x, so therefore here you have to take the number 99 minus, so you have to take the number out, means you have to take x 100, you have to take first x 100 is equal to you have to take 1 by 100 is equal to x 100, so therefore 100 x 99, so 100 gets cancelled, 1 by 100 d by dx is equal to x 99, 1 by 99 d by dx is equal to x 98 plus 1 by 2 into x square, that is 2x plus the x square plus 1, so x square, so x square it will be 2x, so 2 will be take out x, so therefore 2 gets cancelled, so therefore x 99 plus x 98 plus, therefore final number is x plus 1, and here we will get. Next they will ask you these sums, so you have to practice this sum, and main thing they will ask is sin by and cos. So d by dx is you have to use the formula, that is v and u formula, v into u formula, that is v into d by dx u plus v u into d by dx v, that formula you have to use, and here you will get minus sin square x plus cos square x minus cos square x, and here again 3 cot x plus 5 cos square x. So d by dx 3 cot x plus 5 cot x. D by dx here you have to put, I mistake, it is not there. So constant number you have to take out, that is 3 you have to take out, 5 also you have to take out. So therefore you will get d by dx is cot x. So cot x is cosecant x, and cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x, so minus cosecant square x. So these 3 into minus cosecant square x plus 5 minus cosecant x into cot x, this you have to write like this only. This also 5 sin x plus minus 6 cos x plus 7. So therefore d by dx 5 sin x minus d by dx 6 cos x. So 7, it is constant, it will become 0. So therefore d by dx 5 you have to take out. So sin x is cos x, as you know, sin x is cos x. So therefore cos x, and cos x is minus sin x, so minus sin x. So therefore we will put here so like that only. So this last formula, last one I will solve. By this your chapter limits and derivation is over. So 5 secant x plus 4 cos x, so d by dx 5 secant x plus d by dx 4 cos x. So secant x is sin x. So therefore we will put that sin x and we will solve the answer. So okay friends, this was the chapter derivation and limits and derivation, sorry. And here you learned about the limits, the first you learned, and now derivation. These are the derivation, d by dx derivations, and the formulas is most important to solve this any sum. If they give any sum in a final exam, you can solve by seeing, if you have remember that formulas or that rules. Without that rules you cannot solve any sums, you cannot understand any sums. So okay friends, like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and in coaching center for more video. I think you understand about limits and derivations. So okay friends, practice in your home, you will understand. Once again you can see the video and you can practice the sums by seeing the question only. You can write the answer and you can practice the sum, you will get the answer. So okay friends, like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more video. I will see you in my next video explaining another chapter of your maths or other languages. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye my dear friends.